and welcome to Edify Beauty. We are so excited to announce to you that we are launching our new forum that connects individual consumers, or you at home, with professionals that have practical insight, tips, tricks, recommendations, all from an unbiased professional perspective. So if you would love to learn about your hair, please check it out at edifybeauty.com. Check out the forum, post your questions, post your comments. Please get engaged. This is a positive forum for people to be sharing and learning and growing. We just ask that everyone keep everything positive or constructive. We know everything's not always sunshine and rainbows, and we can't always talk about things that are positive, but if you are at least bringing up a constructive comment or question, that's all good too. So we are just wanting to help build each other up on this community, share quality information, and help you guys look your best. If you have any questions about our forum or would like to know more, please post your questions down below or go check it out. And if you like this channel, please subscribe, and I hope you're having a beautiful day.